Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Janatul Amalina binti Johari. I'm from DUE3C. My metric number is 08 DEU23F1130. Today, the process of soldering iron will be demonstrated step by step. First, place the resistor on the breadboard. And align it leads into the desired hole. Secondly, ensure the breadboard and resistor are in the correct position and stable before solder the iron. Before moving on to the next step, wear protective glove to prevent direct heat or burn during process of soldering iron. Moving on, the soldering iron is heated for about 2 minutes. Never heated the soldering iron for too long, since it may cause overheating risk and electric shock. Next, when the soldering iron is hot and ready, solder is placed into the joint while the iron is attached, allowing it to melt and float. Make sure to carefully solder the tin into the hole so it will look neat and able to grip the resistor well. After that, flux is applied for about 5 to 10 seconds. And the soldering iron is heated to the connection where the resistor meet the breadboard. Also, do not apply the flux for too long because it may melt and drip on hand. Consequently, the soldering iron is removed after the solder has flowed, leaving a solid connection. Finally, the connection is inspected to ensure a good connection, and any excess resistor leads are trimmed if needed. That's all from me. Thank you.